Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust. Your journey begins by understanding the core objective: survive the harsh environment and other players. Immediately upon spawning, you'll need to gather essential resources like wood and stone. Crafting your first tools, such as a stone axe and pickaxe, is crucial for efficient resource collection. Don't forget to make a basic weapon, like a spear, for initial self-defense against animals and other players. This early preparation is vital for your survival. Once you have some basic resources, focus on building a secure base. A strategic location, perhaps hidden or elevated, can offer a significant advantage. Start with a small 1x2 or 2x2 foundation and enclose it with walls and a wooden door. Upgrade these walls to stone or metal as quickly as possible to deter raiders. Remember to place a sleeping bag inside for respawning and a tool cupboard to claim your territory and prevent decay. This foundation is key to long-term survival. Effective resource management is paramount in Rust. You'll constantly need to gather wood, stone, and metal to maintain your base and craft new items. Smelting raw ores into metal fragments and high-quality metal is essential for advanced tools and weapons. Utilize the research table to unlock blueprints for more powerful gear and structures. Efficiently managing your inventory, deciding what to carry and what to store, will save you precious time and prevent loss during encounters. This continuous progression keeps you competitive. Combat is an unavoidable aspect of Rust. Familiarize yourself with various weapon types, from bows and spears to assault rifles, understanding their strengths and weaknesses. Practice your aim and movement to gain an advantage in engagements. Always be vigilant. Other players are a constant threat, and surprise attacks are common. While conflict is frequent, consider forming temporary alliances or engaging in diplomacy to achieve common goals. Mastering both combat and social interaction is crucial for thriving in the challenging world of Rust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.